Hey everyone, I made something a little different for this video. I was inspired by the Coromandel Kayak get together. Everyone contributes to a potluck dinner after the fishing. In the 3 years I've been at the event, me and my stomach have happy memories of two dishes. The curried eggs, of which the cook remains anonymous, and the raw fish put together by the raw fish maestro John Peraua Way. I just happened to bump into him while he was making up a big batch of raw fish, and he didn't mind me scoffing some of his best bits while I filmed.
Shit, there's gonna be nothing left.
The weather was pretty rubbish, so sorry if it's hard to hear what's going on.
Yeah. So you put it all in quick as possible?
Yeah, as quick as possible. Some guys let it deep weight.
That's interesting.
Now with the snapper, if you're doing a snapper,
Yep.
you got to be really good with the snapper.
Oh, okay.
Because the snapper cooks real quick.
Right.
You got a bit of snapper.
So do you want to keep it like fresh and
Yeah.
cook at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. That's beautiful. One last there, really stuck out.
You haven't got a can
Me. That should be here. That should be fixed. It's the R18. You want a beer? Beautiful.
chili sauce with ginger.
Just try the chili. The chili sauce. Okay. See what you mean about like getting the lemon there as quick as possible.
Yeah. So the fish still tastes fresh.
Yeah.
The Kahawai is better.